Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a contour offset path in Affinity Designer. This is a really useful technique for adding depth to your designs, creating outlines around shapes, or building layered effects that make your artwork stand out. Contour offset paths are commonly used in logo design, typography, illustrations, and creative graphics. They allow you to create additional shapes around your original object, which can be useful for adding borders, shadows, stickers, or decorative layers without manually drawing each element. First, you'll need to launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, go ahead and open your existing file or create a new file to work with. Before starting, make sure the object you want to edit is already available in your workspace. This could be a shape, text element, or any vector object that you want to create an offset path around. Now take a look at the left sidebar where all your tools are located. You'll see the contour tool listed among the other design tools. Click on the contour tool to activate it. Once it's selected, click directly on the object you want to create a contour offset path for. This tells the software which shape you're working with and prepares it for the offset effect. Selecting the correct object is important because Affinity Designer will apply the contour effect only to the element you choose. If your design contains multiple layers, make sure you select the exact object you want to modify. With the contour tool active on your object, you can now drag the edges to create your offset path. Simply click and drag outward to expand the contour, or drag inward to contract it. This creates that offset effect you're looking for, essentially generating a new path that follows the outline of your original shape at whatever distance you choose. The distance you choose depends on the style you want to achieve. A small offset can create a subtle border effect, while a larger offset can help create bold outlines or layered design elements. Next, you want to refine how the corners of your offset path appear. Look up to the upper left panel where you'll find corner style options. Here, you can choose between mitered, rounded, or beveled. Each option changes the appearance of the corners on your offset path. Mitered gives you sharp pointed corners, rounded creates smooth curved corners, and beveled produces flat angled corners. Each corner style works better for different design purposes. For example, rounded corners are often useful for modern and friendly designs, while mitered corners can work well for sharp and professional graphics. Pick whichever style best suits your design aesthetic. If you want to take your customization a step further, head over to the right panel and click on Stroke. This opens up additional styling options for your offset path. The stroke settings allow you to control how your contour appears and make it easier to match the effect with the rest of your artwork. Navigate to the width setting within the stroke panel. You'll see a slider here that allows you to adjust the width of your stroke. Move the slider left to make it thinner or right to make it thicker, giving you precise control over the final appearance of your contour offset path. Adjusting the stroke width can completely change the visual impact of your design. A thinner stroke can create a clean and minimal look, while a thicker stroke can make your artwork more noticeable and bold. And there you have it. You've successfully created a contour offset path in Affinity Designer with complete control over its appearance and styling. With this technique, you can easily create professional-looking borders, layered effects, and creative outlines that improve the overall appearance of your vector designs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.